Morning, lazy bones. What are we doing today? Oh, you got a toy. Oh. Are we going collecting trees? We're going collecting flowers and trees? Look at that tail. Let that tail go. Welcome to Wandering Wednesday. This week I'm collecting some foxgloves and finishing off the Hazel cuttings. I made you a pancake with some strawberries. Sit. Stay. Okay. So we're starting off today with some foxglove. Now I don't believe the leaves are poisonous, but I'm going to wear gloves anyway. I'm just going to thin these out, keep most of them here, just tin out the ones bunched up on top of each other. So to do this I just use a gardening fork. Make sure you have gloves on. These are poisonous, but I believe it's only inside the flowers that are poisonous, but I'm going to wear gloves anyway, just to be sure. I'm tired today. We'll see how much we can do. Trying to get back fit, and I did a 5k walk on Sunday and my legs are jelly today. Okay, let's get going.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Okay, so I just took the ones that were bunched up. I'm going to leave a load here. Foxgloves, if I remember, are biennial. I don't know if this is year 1, just the leaf growth, or year 2, the flower growth. Let's say, I'm assuming it's the flower growth. Alright, we go on to the next one. Well, I'll leave it. Okay, so you see this is still alive from 2 weeks ago. The buds are green. I'm not going to dig too deep. I walked around looking for alder today. I made a calendar of what I'm going to be trying to collect, and during this month it's willow and alder. Willow's basically all through the year, but I couldn't find any alder nearby. My leg is a bit sore, so I'm not going to go too far. Also, it's been raining. I'm just going to keep on going in the rain anyway. But yeah, these seem to be successful. I see 1 or 2 that probably died, but I just leave them in the pot. There's no harm. I cut more hazel. There's a hazel tree behind me. I cut more hazel there. I'm going to get that potted, and I'm going to pot the foxgloves, and then leave it at that. Hopefully we get about 100 plants by the end of today. Yeah, let's go. So that's 13 foxgloves. Look how many we've done last week. That's 53. guides I was looking up, because I had to relearn. Can we see it here? Focus. So here, see the green buds. If it's alder, this is hazel. So if it's alder, it would have black buds. And I see alder around the place, but none of it's convenient for. I will be doing a Why Would You Spice Bag episode this week. I want to record some more Wandering Wednesdays where I go wandering Wild Atlantic Way. Also, if you're doing this, ask permission of the owner of the land before you take any trees or cuttings. I don't think it would be too bad of a deal, but that's the law. With quilcha, you can just ring up quilcha. Usually, every time I ring them up to ask them to do this, they've let me. If you like this, like and subscribe. I did 100 hazel and 13 foxgloves today. I'm looking for alder. If I can't find alder next week, I can do oak. I have a bit of oak up there, young oak, that's suitable for cutting this time of the year, but I can do it at the end of the year if I don't find it. I don't believe we can do holly this time of year. I have the calendar up, and you can follow along at home. I'll probably tell you what to do in the garden, or what you should be doing this time of year in the garden. This time of year is preparation. So if you're growing any vegetables and you have a greenhouse or a mat or a nice place indoors, sunny place, you can probably get your seedlings ready for this year. Lettuce, beans, whatever you feel like. It's also a good time of year to tidy up your garden. Remove ivy, honeysuckle, spray for moss on your tarmac. Just tidy up in general. Okay, like and subscribe. I'll see you in 2 weeks. Skibbity boop da ba da boop ba ba boop dee ba da bow.